So today I'm doing pole steeple. We're here at Laurel Lake, Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Probably one of the more popular hikes and probably the best view in Michelle. So it's pretty steep, but it's very short. So there are multiple ways to get to pole steeple. If you're coming from Laurel Lake, you can either choose the steep or the moderate. Moderate takes a little bit longer. Steep's quicker. Obviously it's more of a workout, but like I said, it's quicker. Lucy, come. And you can also access it from other points on the AT down further, which I've done before. So here's pole steeple. On top of those rocks is the view. Some people do rock climb up here. Obviously I can't with the dog, but there's a little pathway right up here, and obviously you could climb up there as well. And here we are looking at the first overlook. Really good fall colors. Then over here, another overlook to give you a view of the lake. You can see the lake right down there. Here's another view from the top. I guess the highest point up here.